What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to send a Reddit post to a direct message to somebody on Reddit. Now if you don't want to know what I'm talking about, I'm going to be showing you shortly here, but basically what this does is it takes any public Reddit post and it sends a preview to any person that you select from your message list, and then that person could just click on the post and easily get to it. And it also has a quick preview if they don't necessarily want to read it entirely. So what I'm going to do here is just choose a random post just for the example of this video. And you're going to click the three little dots in the upper right hand corner of the post itself, not of the screen there. You won't be able to see it, but just in the post itself, the white text box. And then what you're going to do from this screen here, the option all the way down at the bottom is going to be a share to chat option. You're going to click on that. And what you could do from here is if you scroll down and click share to chat again at the bottom, you could share it to somebody on Reddit. There's a bunch of other sharing methods if you want to send it to somebody through iMessage or Snapchat or something like that. But this is specifically for Reddit for the video. So once you click on that and share to chat, it's going to come up with some recent Reddit conversations, and you could either select one of those or just type in the name of the person you want to send it to, and then it will be all set for you. The post will be sent to them and they could read it. And you just saw there what the preview is going to be looking like. You could see here what it looks like on their end and what they see. That's all I got for you today, though. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.